the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, the rise of short-form video platforms like YouTube Shorts has opened up new avenues for creators to express themselves and connect with audiences in bite-sized snippets. However, diving into the world of shorts isn't without its challenges and learning curves. As someone who has ventured into this realm, I've gleaned invaluable insights that I wish I had known before starting a shorts channel. Here are 6 crucial lessons to guide aspiring creators. Niche on passion. One of the fundamental pillars of success in the world of shorts is the alignment of content with personal passion. It's not just about jumping on the latest trend or replicating what's popular. It's about finding a niche that resonates deeply with both the creator and their target audience. Whether it's sharing cooking tips, crafting compelling comedy sketches, or offering innovative DIY hacks, selecting a niche that genuinely ignites passion will not only fuel creativity, but also sustain motivation in the long run. Let's imagine 2 guys both starting slow with their channels. Who do you think is more likely to keep going? The guy making videos about his favorite sport and having fun? Or the guy making cooking videos just because he thinks it's a good topic? The answer is pretty obvious. You might be thinking, but what if cooking really is a better topic? The truth is, you can be successful with almost any topic if you make the right videos. The real challenge is keeping up with posting regularly. So my advice is to pick a topic you love and choose carefully, because you'll be making videos about it for the next few months. Stand out against your competition. The second thing is to stand out from your competition. A while back, I came across a comparison that I really liked, and I want to share it with you. Think of YouTube Shorts like a battlefield. If you want to succeed, you need to know your rivals and find their weak spots. Now, it might sound a bit dramatic or cheesy, but trust me, it's good advice. It can help you shine in your niche, even if there are bigger creators out there. Here's how I did it, and how you can too. Start by checking out the top shorts channels in your niche. Take a look at their content and see if there's anything you can do better than them. Find ways to make your videos more appealing and interesting than theirs. For example, I'm into gaming, and when I started my channel, there was a big creator with 350K subs. But after studying his videos, I found a few things I could improve on, and within just 2 months, I was getting more views than him on average. So don't be afraid to learn from your competitors and make your content even better. It's a great way to stand out in your niche, no matter how crowded it may seem. And remember, I've done the same thing, and it's really helped me grow. The only analytics that matters. The third thing to remember is the most important analytic: audience retention. Basically, it's all about how long people stick around to watch your videos. YouTube pays close attention to this when deciding whether to promote your video or not. So even if you forget everything else, focus on keeping your viewers engaged for as long as possible. Now, I won't get into all the technical details of how to boost retention because it varies depending on your niche and content. But here's the bottom line. Make sure your videos are fast-paced and captivating throughout. You don't want people getting bored or losing interest at any point. For example, a good audience retention rate for 15 to 20-second shorts is over 100%. For 30 to 40 seconds, it's around 85%. And for 50 to 60 seconds, 75% is considered good. So, always keep your audience hooked and entertained to boost your chances of success on YouTube Shorts. And trust me, I've followed the same advice, and it's made a big difference for me. Navigating 0 views. The fourth thing to know is about getting 0 views. It's a common experience for most people starting out with short channels. You might have some videos that do really well, but then suddenly, your channel hits a plateau and your new videos get hardly any views. It's called the Valley of Disappointment. And trust me, 95% of people feel like giving up at this stage. But here's the thing, it's totally normal. And almost every channel goes through it. The key is not to let it get you down. Don't panic or change your content strategy drastically. Just keep posting consistently, and eventually, the views will start rolling in. Think of it like sailing through a storm. At first, it feels like you're not making any progress, and you might even consider giving up and turning back. But if you stay the course, you'll eventually reach calmer waters. And once you get past this initial stage, growing your channel becomes much easier. So hang in there, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward. Trust me, I've been through it too, and it does get better with time. Monetization mindset. The fifth thing to keep in mind is about monetization. I recently talked about this in my newsletter, which you can find in the description below. And I have to say, at least half of you watching this are probably making the same mistake. Like many others, when I started with YouTube Shorts, I had money on my mind. I thought I'd just keep posting until I started making some income. But here's the thing, YouTube doesn't let just any short creator make money. About 3 weeks into posting on a new channel, I found out I had broken one of YouTube's monetization rules. Turns out I hadn't changed my videos enough to qualify for monetization. I had to delete almost everything, and I lost all my progress on that channel. Trust me, it's not a fun experience. So, do yourself a favor and check the monetization guidelines right now. If you don't, it could come back to haunt you in the future. I'll put the link to the policies in the description for you guys, so make sure to give it a read. It'll save you a lot of headaches down the road. Don't compare, create. In the age of social media, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of comparing your progress to that of others. However, every creator's journey is unique, and success is subjective. Instead of fixating on others' achievements, channel that energy into refining your craft, honing your skills, and staying true to your creative vision. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and focus on continuous improvement rather than comparison. Embarking on a Shorts channel journey can be both exhilarating and daunting. By embracing these 6 essential lessons and learning from both successes and setbacks, aspiring creators will be better equipped to navigate the dynamic world of short-form content creation. So, approach your journey with passion, creativity, and an unwavering commitment to your craft, and watch as your Shorts channel blossoms into a thriving community of engaged viewers. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, like and share this video and do subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.